a Mustang Stampede. Well, I had a little blooper with a C8 Corvette. Some guy didn't secure his load and lost all of his shit into the road. His weed eater, his trash, his lawnmowers. It was about 10 o'clock at night. It was dark. My wife said, "Hey, watch out, there's something in the road." I looked forward. I could see the main debris pile and I didn't see the weed eater. So the front of the C8 collected his weed eater. So the replacement is here. It's an ACS 5VM, courtesy of his insurance company. Right, there's several things wrong, just with mostly underneath. You can see this big scratch on this thing there. So they actually are paying to replace all these under panels as well. Now, this is the only mark that I'm not sure about, which is right here. And I'm not sure that I want them to paint the entire car or do a 50-50 match on the surrounding areas. Mostly because I don't want to deal with mismatched paint. I don't give a shit what body shop you go. They can barely ever match the factory color. They get close, but usually you can tell, especially if you're keep good care of your car. So anyway, I've already taken that down. It was 21 Torx screws. They lay in a pile there. So I'll be putting this on. This does have the winglets, as you can see. So I'm pretty excited about the 5VM style front splitter. I didn't get carbon fiber. I went ahead and went with a carbon flash, which will match all of this stuff here. So it should be pretty cool. So anyway, thanks for watching. All right, so I got the 5VM splitter, front splitter from ACS composites on. You can see that carbon flash. Oh yeah. Looks good. Got the winglets, okay? You got the 21 screws that run along the bottom here. They're all Torx, okay? Whatever size that is, let's see here. T10, Torx 10, okay? That's what you're doing. That replaces the stock Z51, where you can see the damage on it right there too. And then the damage was on the other side. Sweet. As always, thanks for watching.